Morning students, this is Raj Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Welcome back to the class. So in this polynomial today we have to discuss the fourth Roman. Fourth Roman totally depends upon the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, based on this formula we have to solve the Roman number 4. Okay, so see the fourth Roman. Here the first one is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. See here, what is the a value? A is equal to x, b is equal to 2y, and c is equal to 4z. Now what is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? That is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so you just substitute a value, b value and c value in this, then you will get the answer. See that what is the a square means x square, what is b 2y square means whole square, what is c here 4z whole square, and 2ab 2 into ax b 2y into c is 4z plus 2bc, b is 2y, c is 4z. No. So c means 4z, a means x. So now here see that this is the apply substitution of a b c values. So here x square means x square plus, see that 2y whole square, 2y whole square means 4y square, 4y square. Okay, so and 4z square means 4 square 16 z square, it is 16 z square. Okay, next 2x into 2y, 2 2s are 4 into x, 4xy, 4xy. Okay, next this is 4xy, this is not there. Next 2bc, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 yz, so 16 yz. And the last term is, what is the last term? 2 4 ja 8 into zx, 8 zx, it is 8 zx. So this is the answer for the first question. All questions are same model. You just write a value, b value, c value from the question, and then you have to simply substitute in the formula, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so see the next question. What is the next question? 2x minus y plus z square, 2x minus y plus z square. This is also same, a plus b plus c whole square. So here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to minus y and c is equal to z. So just simply you have to substitute these values in this formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so you only have to solve this problem. Okay, understand? Next see the second question, third question. Third question also same, third question also same only. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, minus c whole square. So here also in this, when we comparing this as a Okay. Okay, what is this? 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. So here a is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus 7b you have to take, with the sign also you have to take, and c is minus c. Simply instead of a you have to substitute 3a, instead of b you have to substitute minus 7b, instead of c you have to substitute minus c. Okay, so where in a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca formula simply you will get. Same this question also. Here a is equal to minus 2x, b is equal to 5y, c is equal to minus 3z, and then you have to substitute in the formula you will get. Now I will try to solve the last question. It is somewhat difficult, that's why I am solving here. Okay, observe this, and in the after this video you have to solve all the questions in this Roman, means 6 questions you have to solve neatly in your classwork and then send. Okay, already I explained the second one, and also I have to explain fourth one also, but you have to solve all the questions. See here, this is the question. Here a is equal to what? 1 by 4a, b is equal to minus 1 by 2b, and c is equal to 1. Okay, so now this is equal to, what is the formula? A plus b plus c whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then simply you have to substitute. What is the a value? 1 by 4 a whole square. B is minus 1 by 2b whole square. C means 1 square plus 2. A is 1 by 4a. What is the b? Minus 1 by 2b plus 2. Already 2 is there in formula. 2bc. C means minus 1 by 2b. C means 1 plus 2ca. C means 1. A is 1 by 4a. Okay. See here. Now we will solve this. Yes, see this. What is the next first term? 1 by 4 a square. 1 by 4 means 1 square by 4 square, means 1 by 4 square 16 a square. So it will be 1 by 16 a square. Next question is minus 1 by 2 b whole square. Minus whole square means it will become plus. Plus only will come. So plus. Next see that 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. 1 square means 1, 2 square 4. 1 by 4 b square. So it is 1 by 4 b square. See the next plus 1 square. 1 square means 1 plus 1. Next question is, next term is here cancellation. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So here plus into minus become minus. Okay. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. So minus 1 by 4 will come. So minus 1 by 4 b. See the next term. Here also 2 2 get cancelled. So plus into minus 1 into b, b into 1 b. So minus b will come. Okay. Next is last term. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So 1 1 ja 1 by 2 a. So this is plus 1 by 2 a. Plus 1 by 2 a. Like this you have to solve all the problems. Okay, very simple. If you know the formula a plus b plus c whole square, okay, from the question you have to get the, you will get the a value, b value, c value. Then simply you have to substitute that 3 values in the formula. That's it. Okay, after solving you have to solve like this. Okay, if there is any solution, any calculation part you can calculate, then simply you will get the answer. Okay students, I hope that you understand. Have a nice day.